Okay, grab a pen and paper for my top 3 hacks how to melt belly fat. You're gonna love these. There's simple things that you can do at home to help to melt away that belly fat. Okay, my first hack is to do a full body detox. So using specific herbal medicines to really target your liver cleanse, your lung cleanse, your digestive tract, your skin, your lymphatic system, your blood. Doing that good full body detox really does help to eliminate that extra fat that you may be holding on to. Your water weight as well, because our body actually holds on to excess fat and water to help dilute those toxins to protect our internal organs from that toxic load. So by getting rid of those toxins, naturally you start to lose a bit of that weight and that extra water weight by doing that full body detox. So you're gonna love this. I love doing it seasonally, so I'm doing it 4 times a year. You will love the effects of doing this for melting that belly fat. Okay, tip number 2 is to, of course, balance your blood sugar levels. Now this is so important because when we've got insulin resistance, and maybe that started with a leptin resistance problem, this is where we can tend to pack on that belly fat, and it can be related to our stress and our cortisol levels as well, tying back to something called pregnenolone steal, and when our hormones are now disrupted because of these feedback loops that happen with leptin resistance, but also with our blood sugar levels being out of balance. So finding balance for that blood sugar is super important. Now, one of the things that you can do is take some specific herbal medicines. So I love things like African wild mango seeds, Gymnema sylvester, and there's a few others that I love. I talk about in other videos, herbal medicines to balance those blood sugar levels. And tip number 3 is to do a castor oil pack with specific essential oils that have actually been studied. This is something that came out of a study in Korea where they did abdominal massage with specific essential oils. So some of which I'm going to share with you, which are amazing for that belly fat. Okay, all you're going to do is get some castor oil, and you're going to use a 1/4 cup of that castor oil, mixing it into a little container with 10 drops of essential oil of grapefruit, 1 drop of Ylang Ylang Essential Oil, and 5 drops of Cypress Essential Oil. Now this combination is fantastic. It smells lovely, and you're going to either rub this right on the abdomen, or you can actually make a pack. So getting some cotton or flannel, of course, unbleached and washed, hopefully in my non-toxic laundry soap that I hope that you've made up. I have that in another video that you can check out. But what you're wanting to do is make sure that there's no toxins in your actual pack, and then you're going to apply that. So you can put that combination of the oils on your castor oil pack and then apply that to the abdomen. Now what I like to do is to use a waist trainer to keep it in place. So affixing it so that it stays there. You can sleep with this on as well, leaving it on for a minimum of 45 minutes. You can use a hot water bottle on top of here as well for that deep penetration, of course, of that castor oil. And that ricinoleic acid, the active component of your castor oil, penetrates very deeply as an oil. That's why it's so effective. So not only just for the belly fat, but helping to move your lymph, great as a detox for your liver function as well. Amazing, amazing. So you're gonna love doing this pack on your abdomen to help to melt that belly fat away. Now, for more herbal medicines that really do help to target that belly fat, please check out my video, Herbal Medicines for Belly Fat. I'll see you there.